If you have these 3 ingredients, then you are set to make Nutella cookies, and we'll show you how. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Ayush and I'm Aarav, and we are the Tasty Twins. And today we're going to show you how to make 3 ingredient Nutella cookies. Let's jump right into it. Alright, to start off, we got 1 egg and we're going to put it in this medium bowl. Alright, our second ingredient is a half cup of Nutella. Alright, for our final ingredient, we got a half cup of all-purpose flour. And let's give this a whisk. Alright, we preheated our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's grab 2 tablespoons of our mixture and we're going to roll it around in our hands until it becomes into a ball. Perfect. And we're going to place it on our tray. Okay, so after rolling our Nutella cookies in my hands, it got so oily. Look at that. It's crazy. Just shows how much oil is in the Nutella. Alright, now we're going to put these in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes on, as we said before, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's give this a try. It looks amazing. Very good. It's very moist, especially with 3 ingredients, so I think it's really good. You gotta give it a try. Alright, that is it for today's video. We really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, then consider liking down below. Click over here for our last video. Click down there for our Baking for Beginners series. If you're new to baking, then you have to check out that series because we give some basics as well as some cool recipes. And of course, if you would like, you can subscribe right here. And we will see you in our next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.